Hi Fractal friends. Seeing the Fractal Icons plugin introduction, I figured, how can I have two different amps at the same time, one pan left, one pan right, yet also be able to control them with a physical device? So for now, I settled on the StudioLogic SL MixFace, which can do your regular DAW mode transport mixing functions like so. Right, I can select, I can solo, I can mute, I can arm, etc. Yet also, with just one push of the button here, I can switch to the control mode, which, if you load the fractal icons and you map them, which you do here, then you can control them as well. And I put this one on track 2, on MIDI channel 2, and this one on track 1, channel 1. So I can select them here in a zone, and then right now we're in the mod, so that is 6. So I can change the rate, I can change the level, I can switch it on or off. And if I switch to zone 2, which is MIDI channel 2, I can do the exact same without even needing to be in that screen. Right? And the same with, for instance, the drive on or off, and changing the settings of the drive. I mean, these are the ones I mapped. Or I can go to this one again and go to the amp and say amp off on output level or volume. And then also, if I switch to zone 4, and now I'm in the standalone version, I can do the exact same thing, because I mapped them all identical, right? Without needing to go, like you do when you use a mouse, needing to go to the screen itself and switch them on or off, or manipulate them. And so, because of the zones, so I mapped zone 4 for the standalone, and zone 1 is for the VST track 1 in Reaper, and 2 is for the track 2 VST2, same instance of fractal icon, and then standalone. So I can play my guitar while using simple buttons. Awesome.